welcome to my channel. I'm Maona. So today we're doing a it's an everyday how to do makeup tutorial for somebody who's beginning or for just somebody who loves doing their makeup but hey, they can't do that complicated stuff. So there I'm applying my foundation. I mixed those two, Zyrone Cosmetics foundation and then Estee Lauder double wear, long lasting, and I mixed them because either of them is my shade. So no, the other one is too light, the other one is darker, so I just mix them together so that they average my skin and fit in perfectly. And I just use that foundation brush. I don't even know its name, but if you get into a pharmacy or a makeup shop, just say you want a foundation brush, otherwise I'll lead you astray. I'll lead you astray. All right, and then now I'm using my black Opal Eyebrow pencil in color dark brown in my toothbrush to do my eyebrows, and there you have it. So I don't like creating a very, very harsh eyebrow which is very, very dark, super dark and scary, because when the eyebrows are too dark your face will be looking very scared. You'll be saying good morning guys, but your face will be saying hi good morning. So I want to make sure that the outer part is very, very dark, and then the start of the eyebrow, the beginning of the eyebrow is lighter. So I have a detailed eyebrow video which I'm gonna post very soon. So now there's just a browsing of my eyebrows. All right, and then now I'm about to apply my eyeshadow. I don't apply eyeshadow every day, so I just apply a little product. I forgot. I'm about to conceal the eyebrow, to make it pop, and soon after that, that's when I apply the eyeshadow. And yeah, now I'm just preparing the eyelids for my eyeshadow. And yeah, I don't like using a lot of products. I just like being minimal and super minimal. Don't want to look like no, I'm the drama queen now. No. So now I'm adding more so that I make that eyeshadow I talked about, and I'm just gonna do a little mwah, just to add an oomph. Right, and then that's my eyebrow brush. I just got it in a palette the other time, then that's been using it since. So I'm going in with my Juvia Palace light brown color as the eyeshadow color I'm gonna put. It's just a base, but that's what it's just a base for people who want to put makeup, like makeup. But for me, that's just what I'm gonna use, since it's just an everyday look and you don't want to look scary, you just want to look pretty and cute and all polished, but not with too much makeup. It's not cute at all. So now I'm about to apply glitter. It's a magic glitter. I don't even know the name. It's just written magic. It's a silver glitter, silver green. I don't know the color very well, but I just put a little to add some pop into my eyes so that I look good. Just like that. I'm gonna keep adding some more until I get that smooth, bling. When I bling, my eyes have to touch. You have to look at me and wonder, wow, what did she put into your eyes? What did she apply? So yes, that's what I apply, and it's so good. I just love how it looks. Then now I'm about to apply my eyeliner. I use my foundation brush and angle brush and black eyeliner and black eyeshadow as my eyeliner, because I don't have an eyeliner at the moment, but actually it works very, very good, actually even better than a real eyeliner. Of course an eyeliner is good, but using an eyeshadow, it creates something more that's what I want. So I really prefer using an eyeshadow as an eyeliner. You see what I mean? You see? Yes, and then I just put inside in the inner eye, so that the eyes look related. And yeah, that's how I look. Look how the eyeliner turned out to be, the eyeshadow liner. Now I'm applying this Kiss Beauty mascara. I think there's nothing there. It's now empty, but well, we have to apply our eyeliner, our mascara. I don't like putting lashes. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a witchcraft. Hybo. But yeah, I don't like applying mascara. I don't like putting mascara. I don't like lashes. I don't like lashes because if it's an everyday look, normal makeup look, why would I put lashes? Because sometimes it's your first time applying makeup, and how will people? I don't know. Not about people, but sometimes lashes are just too much. And then now I'm contouring. This is just basic, not contouring the other types of contouring I see on YouTube. People using a lot of products. Just use a lighter foundation. The other Estee Lauder I was using the lighter one. That's the contour. I just put a little. Guys, that a little. I'm saying it's a little, but it will be plenty. And then for the nose as well, I just apply some more. Now I'm trying to blend it in so I get into the skin. And yep. And now that's a Florrie Roberts dark face powder. The real container broke, so I had to improvise. So now I'm just doing that to try give some shape to the face. If you don't want to do this, cool, you can just put the foundation and your powder and then your eyes and you're good to go. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it, but just to add an oomph. Let's say you have some time, you can just do that. It's just so easy, because sometimes you can even use a darker eyeshadow, something that you want. Feel free with your makeup. Feel free to do anything you want with your makeup as long as it works for you and it brings out the results that you want, because you all know people use different types of contourings. Well, that's the type that I use. So that's my face powder that I just showed you. It's in 24K, some Korean face powder if I'm not mistaken. That's what's written on the paper. So yeah, I just apply my face powder everywhere, and that's just how I do it. It's different from some types of contouring that guys. I love less products on my face. So now we're moving to the blush, and I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder blush. Yes, just to add some something to my smile. And then I'm gonna go in with my highlighter to add an oomph to the cheeks. Then I apply it to the center of the nose, and then at the bridge. Is that a bridge of the nose? I don't know. I don't know. And then just adding some more brownness and redness. I'm applying a blush as well, so that I don't look. I just add some. I don't know. Just to add some. I just love doing stuff. Then I'm going with the Estee Lauder face eyeshadow, and just to give color to the bottom eye, under eye. And I love how it looks. So yeah, I'm just spreading it out nicely so that I don't look funny. Yep. So that's it. We're loving it. And now I'm moving to the lips. Firstly, I'm gonna line with the same eyebrow pencil that I use. I'm gonna line my lips with it as well, so that I saw that trick from Huda of putting those 3 lines. So don't ask me why I do it. It's just from Huda. If Huda does it, then that's the right procedure to take. And then yes, now applying my purple lip gloss. Oh, I fast forwarded that. That's Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lipstick. Is it lipstick? Oh, it's lipstick but nude. The shade is Embrace. If you want to look for it, I bought it because Bonang uses it. And then now I'm going with my Estee Lauder lip gloss on top, because it's an everyday look. Well, why not just add a gloss and look like a girl, like a girly girl? Wow, I love how it's turning out to be so nice and yummy. Look at me. Now I just sprayed my Estee Lauder mist to finish up the look. I'm waiting for it to dry so that I look good, and that's just it, guys. I hope you love the look and you tell me more that you'd love to see in the comments. I'll see you in my next video.